studying in Germany is completely free. No tuition fees, zero school fees, none. You are not paying any tuition fee, none, not at all. But this is only if in this video I will show you how to search and apply to German universities with just one website. You don't need to search for the schools one after the other on Google. With this one website you can find all the available German universities where you can study for free. You will be able to find the application procedure, their requirements, and the application deadline. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, I'm happy to have you once again on my channel, and if you are new to this page, welcome. My name is Favor and I'm a Nigerian currently doing my masters here in Germany. Please don't forget to like the video as it helps the video to be pushed by the YouTube algorithm, and do well to subscribe to my channel and become part of my Favoured family. In this channel, Favor is our password. Like I mentioned in my previous video, studying in Germany is completely free. No tuition fees, zero school fees, none. You are not paying any tuition fee, none, not at all. But this is only if you are studying in a public university. If you are studying in a private university, you will have to pay tuition fee. Then while studying in Germany for free, you will bear the cost of your living expenses like accommodation, feeding, and accommodation is approximately 250 to 400 euro depending on where you are living, and feeding is approximately 150 euro and above depending on your feeding capacity. But the good thing is that while studying for free in Germany as a student, you can work and earn about 900 to 1400 euro, and you can be able to take care of your living expenses and have some to save. Another good thing about studying in Germany is that you will have access to 26 other Schengen countries, and you can be able to visit all these places like Austria, Switzerland, Netherlands, like all the other Schengen countries without a visa. One important information you need to have at the back of your mind is that in Germany we don't pay tuition fee, but there is something called semester contribution, and this semester contribution varies from 100 euro to 400 euro. It depends, or it can even be more, but it depends on the university. And this money is not tuition fee, it is called semester contribution, and it covers your transportation and your university services. This is not school fees, this is not tuition fee. Without further delay, let's dive into the one website where you can find free tuition universities for both bachelors and masters. If you have your computer with you, type www.daad.de. I will put it in the description box below, and please don't skip any part of this video because you might miss the important information you need. Some people have started writing me, how do I go about this, how do I do this, how do I do that? But these are things I explained explicitly in my videos, so don't skip any part of this video as I take you through how to find universities with just one website. So let's get going. I will switch over to my computer right now. So as I mentioned in the video, once you get on Google, you type www.daad.de, and once you click on the link, this is the next page that will pop up. Then I want you to go down and find international programs. Once you click on this link, this is the next page, and here I want you to, you can see the course type, course language, field of study. Then under course type, if you are searching for bachelors, you just click on bachelors, and if you want masters, you also click on masters. Like, it depends on what you are searching for. If you are searching for only masters, you click on only masters. If you are searching for bachelors, you click on only bachelors. And but for the purpose of this video, I'm clicking the two. And for language, if you have knowledge of the German language, you can choose German and English. But if you have knowledge of only the English language, you can click on English only. And field of study, let's make a choice. Right now we can choose economics, and you search. As you can see, we have 612 results from this search, and this is because I put bachelor's and master's programs. So if you're actually searching for only masters, you click on only masters. If you are searching for bachelor's, you choose only bachelor's. And right now you can see the universities available, and let's click on one and see the full information. So I'm going to click on this one. This is bachelor's degree in agribusiness, BA. So I'm going to click on it and let's see what it has to say. You can see that this one is Bachelor of Arts and the teaching language is English. Then you can see that because it's bachelor's, the program duration is 7 semesters, and you can see the deadline, the application deadline. You can see the tuition fees per semester is none. I love this part. I love this part. Then here you can find the course details. Here will give you every information you need to know about the course. And when we go down here, we can find the cost and the funding. So like I mentioned earlier in the video, I told you that in Germany we don't pay tuition fee, especially for public universities. But if you are going for private university, you have to pay tuition fee. But there is something called semester contribution, and that is what you are seeing right here. Tuition fees per semester in euro is none. Semester contribution, enrollment fees amount to approximately 310 euro per semester. This covers nominal administrative fees and a public transport ticket valid for the entire federal state of North Rhine-Westphalia, just like I told you. So here you can see the cost of living, you can see funding opportunities within the university, and let's go to requirements and registration. Here, once you click on this website, you can be able to find all their application requirements, like what you need to meet before you can be able to get admission into this course. And here you can find the language requirements, and you can also find the application deadline. Here it says all applicants 15th July for the following winter semester. So if you're applying for this school, you must submit application before this deadline. And submit application to, this is how you need to make the application. Applications must be submitted online through UniAssist. Please do not submit any applications in hard copy. So this school and for this course, you need to apply through UniAssist. Like I mentioned earlier, most universities might want you to apply directly online through the link they will provide, and some universities will want you to post your documents to them by post, and some universities might want you to apply through UniAssist. I said that UniAssist is an agent that handles applications for multiple universities. So here you can find information about the school if you want to get more information about the school. So this is one search for bachelors. Let's search for masters. So you can go back and you can find more universities and more courses. Let's search for this one. This is okay, master's degree in agricultural and food economics. So this is Master of Science, and you can see that the teaching language is in English. Like I mentioned also in the previous video, that knowledge of German is not mandatory, like it cannot stop you from studying in Germany, because there are courses that are taught in English. So here you can see that the program duration, because it is masters, is 4 semesters, and this is beginning of the semester will be by winter, and application deadline is 30th April for the following winter semester. Tuition fees per semester in euro is none. I love that part, none. Okay, so let's go to the requirements, like the admission requirements. So here you can see that a BSc degree or equivalent in study programs linked to agricultural sciences, agribusiness management, agricultural economics, food and household economics, business management, or similar, with an amount a minimum of 42 credits of economic lectures. You know, so once you see this, you can know if you actually qualify for it or not. You need to get more information on the website too. And here the application deadline is 30th April for the following winter semester application. Like how to apply, submit application to, okay, this says please contact us at dash and the application process is currently being updated with a new application platform available in 2023. So once you click the link, you can be able to get more information concerning their application procedure. But what I'm trying to make you understand is that this is the one website where you can find available universities where you can study for free in Germany. And this website, one of the good things I love about this website is that once you filter it, like I did, I filtered it to economics and social science and law. But you can, if you want to study medicine, engineering, languages and cultural studies, mathematics, natural sciences, sports, you can filter it to what you want, and it will give you the universities that are available, and there you can be able to find their requirements, the application procedure, and the deadline. So this is one of the good things about this website. And one thing I have to let you know is that when you are doing this search, it will be good if you can have a pen and a paper, so you can be able to write out the schools and the courses you feel you meet their requirements, so that you can always go back to your paper and have more information about that, like go online to be able to search for those schools. Because if you don't write them out, you will need to be doing this search over and over again. So there's something I want to show you guys. So this is bachelor's degree, advertising and brand communication. This is BA. And like I mentioned in the video, I said studying for free in Germany is possible only if you are studying in a public university. If you are studying in a private university, definitely you will need to pay tuition fee, and this is one of it. You can see that this course and this school, because it's a private university, you will have to pay tuition fee. You can see that this one, the tuition fees per semester in euro is 4,500 euro. So have that at the back of your mind. If you are searching for schools, make sure you are searching a public university. Make sure you are seeing all the information clearly before you make your application, and except maybe you want to go to a private university. So but one thing I have to also let you know is that when you are applying to universities in Germany, don't apply to only one school. Make sure you apply to as many as possible, because you cannot put all your eggs in one basket. So apply to as many universities as possible, and I wish you the best of luck as you do that. This is how you can filter the website to be able to give you what you want. Then, without wasting much of your time, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. But make sure you watch this video till the end and understand it properly before asking questions. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, because it helps the video to be picked by the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and also let me know where you are watching me from in the comment section, and I'll be there to reply. Until then, see you in my next video. Love you. Bye.